As-built modeler SendTo scan positions to AutoCAD. After this tutorial, you will be able to export scan positions from As-built Modeler, import scan positions to AutoCAD, open the As-built Modeler project from within AutoCAD. You may import scan positions when using As-built Modeler along with As-built AutoCAD. To do so, go to the SendTo panel and select the Export Scan Positions command. Enter a file name, pick a location that is easy to find, and save the scan positions. Now, close As-built Modeler and go to As-built for AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, pick the As-built tab, then select Create Scan Labels As-built Modeler VirtuServe. Browse to the scan position file that we previously exported and click Open. The number of created scan labels is shown in the command line. Double-click the mouse wheel and zoom to extents. You can see the labels in top view. You can open the according scan project by going to the Scan Nav group and selecting the Open Link Scan command. Then click the label. As-built Modeler is started, and this specific project is opened automatically. Note, this only works if you have access to the specific scan project. Also keep in mind that it may take a few seconds for the project to open. It all depends on the speed of your computer. Now go to Explore to see the quick view. Click the Apps Manager and select the SendTo app. This lets you send data directly to your AutoCAD application.